Hi everyone, it's Chouhan, your Canadian Real Estate and Tax Connect. I want to call this little episode Realty with Ruby today. I wanted to make a little video on the NRST non-resident speculation tax, aka foreign buyers tax, and the proposed changes coming to Ontario in 2022. What, why, when, where, and how. The NRST, non-resident speculation tax, currently exists in parts of Ontario. It's implemented in Greater Toronto area and also the Greater Golden Horseshoe area as well. Currently, it's 15% of the purchase price to foreign buyers, and the definition of a foreign buyer can be checked out on the Ontario government's bulletin regarding the NRST. There are certain exemptions available and rebates available if you qualify. And what is happening is the Ontario government's considering increasing this to 20% from 15% and also changing the areas from GTA and the GGH to all of Ontario. The NRST tax was implemented to prevent or deter speculators, especially foreign investors. Now, speculators are those who purchase property who might keep it vacant in the hopes of reselling it for a profit. The reason we want to prevent this is because there is really low housing supply in Ontario, and also housing affordability is really tough for most Canadians, especially first-time home buyers, immigrants, and small families. The increase in the tax rate to 20% is supposed to be implemented at some point in 2022. And it's one of the key items the government of Ontario is really publicizing on its efforts to help with housing affordability. However, I'm just wondering, is this actually beneficial? Based on the Toronto Real Estate Board, one of their top analysts mentioned that the increasing the foreign buyers tax has a very, very, very little impact on housing affordability. Personally, I don't know how much it costs to implement this or how many of our tax dollars are going to this new foreign buyers tax. However, I'm wondering, can our efforts be used better? For example, increasing affordability somehow, and perhaps having some new programs for first-time home buyers, or rent-to-own programs, or perhaps converting commercial space and making it into residential space. For example, I'm aware of a building right across from 1 King Street West on Yonge Street, on the Yonge and King corner, changing from commercial use to a residential complex. I just wonder if there's other things that we should be focusing on rather than increasing the foreign buyers tax. I want your input. Where should our tax dollars go? What should the Ontario government do? Do you agree with increasing the foreign buyers tax? And if you have any questions, if you're interested in buying, selling, investing in Canadian real estate, or if you're a Canadian expat and you wish to discuss the tax implications related to your Canadian real estate investments, whether it's buying, selling, or renting, please feel free to contact me and I'm happy to help. Ruby Chouhan out.